stay motivated when you are learning English. You study vocabulary, you learn grammar, you watch videos, but after some time, your motivation disappear. It happens to most of the English learners, right? Hey, today in this video, I'll tell you how to stay motivated when you are learning English language, right? There are two psychologists or two psychology expert. First one is Edward Deci and the second one is Richard. They created a theory called self-determination, right? Self-determination, right? And what exactly they really mention in this specific theory, and they categorize in this theory in two different types. And the first one is extrinsic motivation, and the second one is intrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation, it comes from outside pressure or rewards. What does it mean? People learn English, or this motivated motivation comes from outside, like people pressurize the learners or pressurize you to learn something, and this kind of pressure continues until or unless you achieve your specific target. For example, you learn, or this motivation comes only for a specific period of time. Once you pass that specific exam, or once you get your desired job, this motivation disappears. This motivation does not last long. So the other motivation, that is intrinsic motivation, it comes from inside you. Inside you. For most of the learner who really want to improve themselves or want to learn English, they really want something from their inside, or they need something new. They want to learn something, and they always on their feet to improve themselves, right? So it comes from inside you, right? These learners practice longer, learn faster, and continue learning even after the exam. So extrinsic motivation, it remains for about that specific period whenever your pressure is not over. So if you're studying something, if you are preparing yourself for exam, or if you are to make your parents or teacher happy, then this motivation works till that specific time. After that time, this motivation disappears. So intrinsic one, it works longer, it helps learn faster, and also continue learning after your exam is over, or after your target is met, right? So you are to, or the learner who want to improve themselves, you are to be motivated, or you are to learn the motivation from your inside, from intrinsic one, right? So intrinsic motivation satisfies three human needs. Why you are to get motivation or intrinsic one? That because it satisfies three human needs, satisfies your three needs. The very first one that it really satisfies, that is autonomy. Autonomy, what does it mean? Feeling that you control what or which tell what you learn and how you learn. So, and now the second satisfaction that intrinsic motivation gives to human is competence, right? Competence. It means you are improving and becoming capable, right? It means with the passage of time, you come to understand that you are improving day by day. And the second satisfaction that it gives, that is relatedness. What does it mean? Relatedness means, or that what it gives is that feelings connected to other people through language, right? With same interest, it connects you, or you come to understand that it is connecting, or you are being connected with the same interest that what you have, with the people of the same interest, that what interest you have. Well, at the end, I would say that don't study English that you have to study. Please study English because you are curious to learn, or you are curious to study English. So don't study by thinking that you have to. Don't impose it on yourself. Just study English or learn English by thinking that you are to improve, or you are curious to learn new ideas or new things. Thank you very much for watching this video.